Do you want to get your voice from here and get it to be like this? It's literally achievable in 1 week. I researched this topic a lot, and you can never go beyond your genetic potential, but I guarantee that your voice is much more genetically deeper than it actually is right now. Let's test the depth of your voice first. Go to voicecell.org and test it. Read this sentence in a natural voice, and it's gonna tell you the frequency, and the higher it is, the squeakier your voice is. I'm currently testing my voice. My favorite color is blue, the sky is sunny, my voice is loud and clear, and I'm using a proper mic. My environment is quiet. The goal of this 1 week process is basically to lower your frequency as much as possible, and you're gonna be able to do it for about 20 Hertz. Here's what you're going to do. I'm gonna tell you 5 steps that you'll follow, and they're gonna 100% bring you to your potential. First, stand tall. I don't need to explain the physiology of human body for you to understand this. Try slouching and speaking as deeply as possible, and you'll realize it's not possible. I haven't found the reason why, but it's a fact. You can test it right now. So focus on keeping your posture as straight as possible, and you're not only gonna deepen your voice, but you're also gonna feel much more confident. Second, breathe through your belly. I can guarantee you very rarely breathe fully through your stomach. That's what they call speaking from your belly. You cannot literally speak from your belly, but when you take more oxygen, your voice gets deeper, probably because you're more relaxed and less anxious, therefore your vocal cords get loose. Be mindful about your breath, and you're not only gonna achieve deeper voice, but also reduce anxiety. So focus on your breath more. Third, loosen your vocal cords. I have a large proof that this is one of the biggest impacts, and that your vocal cords can be strained from talking squeaky. At which part of the day do you have the deepest voice? You know it's in the morning. But what's so special about the morning? Think about it. You've got your vocal cords a really long rest, basically 8 of 9 hours of not speaking, not scratching it, and they haven't been used. And combine that with deep breaths you take in the morning because your anxiety is at all-time low, and the resulting voice is fascinating. This also proves the breathing deep part. It works. Now, how do you purposely loosen your vocal cords? You can't, except you can preserve their natural looseness you get in the morning. You don't strain your voice, you don't yell, and you don't speak from your throat. Fourth, do deeper voice exercises. These train you how to speak from the belly more, and also how to make them vibrate when you're speaking. You will look ridiculous for doing these exercises, like a fish that's trying to get some oxygen. You stretch out your vocal cords by looking at the sky and then repeating this sequence. Ding dong, bing bong, King Kong. Ding dong, bing bong, King Kong. Ding dong, bing bong, King Kong. You can repeat this sequence 10 to 20 times per session, and you can do it multiple times a day. Their whole purpose is for you to understand how to use vocal cords in the right way. People might say you're forcing your voice, but not exactly. Forcing your voice would be something like, "Yo bro, what's good with you?" Fifth and final step, slow and steady wins the race. Talking slower in general makes it easier for you to breathe fully, and then you use your voice in a way that promotes depth. This is just a mindset shift you can do right at this moment. If you follow these 5 steps, they're going to make your voice deeper 100%. Last thing I'll say in this video is that it's important for you not to obsess over how deep your voice is. Because even though it'll give you more confidence for sure when you're speaking to strangers, when you're speaking to girls, it can also take your confidence on the days you fail to follow these steps. So don't make this your whole identity. I think that with time you're gonna get used to it, and it will be just a natural way you do things. But until it enters your subconscious, you'll need to be mindful about it.